What's the secret to feeling good? Everyone's glowing lately. Well, here's how I fake it with one tiny seed. Flax seeds. Step 1. Add a spoonful of flax seeds to your smoothie. Trust me, it's a game changer. Step 2. Sprinkle them on yogurt or oatmeal for that extra boost. Final step. Just a spoonful a day keeps the bad vibes away. Ready to glow up? Try flax seeds today. Flax seeds.
Flax seeds may be tiny, but their benefits? Huge. Let's break it down in 30 seconds. First up, omega-3s for your brain and heart. Next, fiber for a happy gut. And don't forget that glow for your hair and skin. But hold on, it's not for everyone. Some meds may not mix well with flax, and too much can lead to tummy troubles. Now, check out this delicious Kerala-style smoothie bowl. Flax seeds sprinkled on top for that extra boost. Follow for more. Try to snack-size facts and stay healthy.